Now this is how it's done. I wish this camera was on 2 minutes ago when I was kicking her ass.
Barely. Yeah, that's how it's done.
Shut up. Hey, I chugged my beer.
Fuck, I don't give a shit. I wish this camera was on when I made it without looking. One shot.
Come on, make it, bitch.
Shut the fuck up.
Shit talking's part of the game.
You know
okay,
what?
fine. Okay, fine.
I got one.
Little sister.
You up.
Here's what I'm going to tell you right now. Everybody makes fun of me because I peg it, and they call me darts. And when I arch it, it hits her crotch. And I'm not aiming for that, so...
They call you darts?
Just watch.
You know what I do? I go like that. What's up?
I don't know, like, because I...
Look at the wrist.
No, just throw. You just throw.
Vagina.
This is your one re-rack.
I know, that's all I want. I just want a vagina.
Now, do you want Miranda, or do you want me? Oh my god, I was just kidding. You do not put that on there. You do not put that on there.
I'm not. It's okay. It's the truth.
You didn't answer.
I want Miranda. I'm just kidding. I don't eat fat hoes for breakfast.
Oh, goodness.
I had a stutter there.
Alright, watch this. Watch this, watch.
That was a bouncer. I've never tried a bouncer.
Go watch videos.
What are you doing? You're not doing it.
Okay.
You're not doing them. You're like standing there like,
Don't put that on me either.
Alright, well I'm gonna stop it now.